Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link your Coinbase to Lssc account. First, ensure you are logged into your Lssc account. Look for the section related to financial institutions or external accounts, usually found under your profile or settings. This is where you will initiate the process of adding a new connection. Make sure you have your Coinbase login details ready for the next steps. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth linking experience. Once you've selected to add an external account, you'll typically see a list of financial institutions. Find and choose Coinbase from this list. You will then be prompted to enter your Coinbase username and password. It's vital to input these details correctly to avoid any connection issues. After successful login, you will be asked to authorize Lssc to access specific information from your Coinbase account. Review these permissions carefully before proceeding. After authorizing access, Coinbase may require you to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. This could involve a code sent to your phone or email. Once authenticated, you should be redirected back to your Lssc account. Check the External Account section to confirm that Coinbase is now listed as a linked institution. Take a moment to verify that all the displayed details are accurate, ensuring a successful and secure connection between your accounts. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Coinbase and Lssc accounts are active and in good standing. Sometimes, a simple browser refresh or clearing your cache can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Lssc customer support for personalized assistance. They can often diagnose specific connection errors. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals to help simplify your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.